CPU, a deep dive into the brain of the computer. The Central Processing Unit (CPU) is often referred to as the brain of the computer. It controls every calculation, decision, and operation, ensuring seamless interaction between hardware and software. To appreciate the complexity and power of modern CPUs, let's look back at their evolution. From vacuum tubes in the 1940s to transistors, integrated circuits, and microprocessors, each generation has brought significant advancements. Key functions of a CPU include fetching instructions from memory, decoding instructions to understand tasks, executing instructions through calculations or data movements, storing results back into memory. The CPU consists of essential components: arithmetic logic unit (ALU) for calculations and logic operations, control unit (CU) to manage data flow and operations, CPU, GPU, general purpose processing, graphics and parallel processing, few cores 4 to 32, thousands of cores, high speed per core, high speed in parallel, very high flexibility, task specific. Modern CPUs are built using advanced technologies with billions of transistors, enabling them to perform complex tasks efficiently. They support multi-core architectures and AI instructions. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you gained valuable insights into the fascinating world of CPUs.